As someone who's been flying drones for years, this rumor in particular really caught my attention. And that rumor is this: DJI may be working on an Avata 360. At first glance, that idea sounds almost too good to be true. Because let's be honest, 360-degree drones have always been limited. Image quality usually isn't there. Transmission can be unstable, and the workflow? Definitely not beginner-friendly. Most of the time, flying a 360 drone feels more like a tech demo than a real creative tool. And that's exactly why this rumor matters, because DJI may finally be taking a serious, practical approach to solving those problems. Let's talk about what's been leaking online. According to multiple Chinese sources, the DJI Avata 360 would feature dual 1-inch sensors, capable of recording 8K at 60 frames per second in HDR. If that turns out to be true, it would instantly put this drone in a completely different league from existing 360 FPV setups. That kind of sensor size alone would massively improve dynamic range, low light performance, and overall image quality, three things that have always held 360 drones back. Transmission is another big deal. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 would use DJI's flagship 04 Plus transmission system, which means stronger signal stability, lower latency, and longer usable range. For FPV pilots, that's huge, especially when flying fast or in complex environments. Now here's where things get really interesting for beginners. The Avata 360 is rumored to include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, combined with integrated propeller protection. That's something we almost never see in FPV-style drones. It means safer flights, fewer crashes, and way less anxiety for new pilots who want cinematic shots without destroying their drone on day one. And knowing DJI, if these rumors are accurate, this drone wouldn't be limited to just 360 capture. The expectation is that it could shoot both full 360 video and standard transitional FPV footage, allowing creators to switch between immersive reframing and traditional cinematic shots. That flexibility is exactly what could make this drone world-class instead of niche. Let's talk price. Based on current leaks, the standalone Avata 360 could start around $489, which honestly is aggressive, especially considering it would support dual control modes. A traditional remote controller for precision flying, and a motion sensing controller for more immersive, intuitive control. If DJI pulls this off, this drone wouldn't be a toy. It wouldn't be a gimmick. And it wouldn't be just another experiment. It would be a serious creative tool, built for real-world use, combining FPV speed, 360 freedom, and DJI's beginner-friendly ecosystem in a way we've never seen before. So the real question isn't, is the Avata 360 a good idea? The real question is, can DJI finally make 360 FPV practical? If the leaks are true, the answer might be yes. And if that happens, the DJI Avata 360 could completely redefine what FPV drones are capable of. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Let me know what you think in the comments: genius innovation or FPV gimmick? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.